Hey friends, it's Ocean, and welcome back to Language Sprout. Today we are going to be working on geography, which is the vocabulary that we practiced yesterday, right? Things like peninsula and the compass, right? And waterfall. So to do that, we are going to be making our own country, my own country. What is country again? Yeah, país, country. Nación, país, the country. Like, for example, look at this one. This is the country of the United States. There's Canada, Mexico, Belize, Honduras, Guatemala, Costa Rica, Nicaragua, Panama, El Salvador, Cuba. Those are all different countries. So, today we will make our own country. Nuestra propia, our own country. Imagina. Imagine. Ooh. Okay. To do that, we're going to be drawing like this. We could draw with markers, but I want to draw with colored pencils. Pencils, like that. Okay, so to start, let's see. I made my own, but I want to do one with you. Let's start right here. We need to do a mountain. So maybe a mountain can have an M for mountain. Okay, so maybe there's some mountains here. There we go. And we can put in M for mountains. Let's see. Let's put some snow on top of the mountains. Like that. Snow on top of the mountains. And should we do a city? A city, let's make the city a different color, like, ooh, pink. I like pink. Let's do a pink city in front of the mountains, like that. Lots of buildings. There we go. And we'll call that maybe Ocean City. Hey, that's me. Okay, so we've got Ocean City. Oh, and we have to put a C. There we go. And an M for the mountains. What else? Ooh, island. Ooh, for the island, first we need an ocean. So let's do ocean next. O for... Let's write with a little darker. Ocean. Okay, so maybe the ocean is over here. In the east. Oh, look at this compass. Did you see that? We've got, remember, north, south, east, west, north, south, east, west, north, south, east, west, north, south, east, and west. I put north on the top. So the ocean can be in the east. Do 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 do. Boo 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 boo. And we'll make it like this. There we go. So that's the ocean. What about the island? Ooh, I'm going to make the island purple. I for island. And here we go. there. We can put a little tree. There we go. An island. Boom. Ocean, island, city, mountains. Let's do some more water, like a river or a lake or a waterfall. Okay, so let's see. Lake, river, waterfall. Ready? Lake, river, waterfall. Okay, so let's put a lake in the northwest. So northwest, way over here. A lake in the northwest part. And now let's do a river that goes east. A river. And boom! It falls down. Crash. And a little bit more of a river. There. Now the lake goes to the ocean. River, lake, and waterfall. Nice. That is so nice. Maybe we can put some trees. Ooh, if you have many trees, lots of trees. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and more. If you have many trees, it's called yeah, good memory. A forest. 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 But what about a jungle? Remember the difference? A forest, it's como normal, no? Just a normal bunch of trees. A jungle. Ooh. A jungle has a lot of rain and monkeys. Ooh, 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 ooh. And parrots. We know all those words. So let's do some clouds. And some rain. This one is a jungle. 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 Okay, jungle. Forest. We forgot to put the F for forest. F. There we go. What else do we have? We did mountain. So let's cross that one out. City. Island. Forest. River. Waterfall. Jungle. A beach. Where would a beach go? Would a beach go in the southwest or in the southeast? Yeah, it would go by the ocean or by the river or by the lake, right? So let's do a beach. We can do a big beach. That one's a really big beach. Look. Whoa. And we could do a small beach. There's a lake beach in the northwest and an ocean beach in the east and a little bit to the south. Nice. So we did mountain, city, island, forest, river, waterfall, jungle, beach, peninsula. Uh-oh. There isn't a peninsula. How did I forget? Ooh, I know what we can do. Look. We can make this ocean go like this. Remember, a peninsula is like an island which is all water around it, right? But a peninsula still has land. La tierra still has land on one side. 1, 2, 3 sides is water, the ocean. And one side is land. So that's a peninsula. Let's draw P. Peninsula. There we go. So we put a peninsula right there. And should we also put a jungle? Yeah, let's put 2 jungles on our map. 2 jungles in our country. Boom, 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 boom. So we'll put a J right there. Jungle. And finally, oh, we did lake and ocean, but we haven't done desert. Great, let's put a desert on there right now. D for desert. Desert. And maybe we'll do the desert yellow for all of the sand. Should we put the desert in the south? In front of the mountains? Or in the north? Behind the mountains? Let's do both. Okay. 1 desert. And 2 deserts. Nice. 1, 2. Should we do another city? Yeah. A country should have 2 cities, at least. So there's a city. This city is by the ocean. And this city is by the lake. So we could call this one Lake City. Nice. Wow. We did a pretty good job with our map. Should we do an arrow pointing north? There we go. North. And, oh, my country is called. What's the name of your country? My country is going to be called... Oh, no, that pencil doesn't work. This one work? Yes. Okay, good. My country is called... I'm going to call it... Language Land. It's like Sproutland, but it's mine. Language Land. Great. That's our activity for today. Can you draw your own country? Send me. Mándame. Send me your own country. I want to see. Make sure you do all of the parts of the country on this side and draw it here. And make sure you do your compass too. Okay. Thank you so much and have a great day. Let's sing our goodbye song, shall we? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Time to go. Time to go. I will see you later. I will see you later. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye, friends.